I have yellow, orange, some reds, different reds. I could bring out my CAD red light. I always love that. You know, non-representational. I could see a grouping of these. Right now, I'm just using my imagination, my experience. Black. I'm going to do that nice black, long black stripe. Override those voices with your temperament and aesthetic. And get your colors out of the way, get your paints out of the way. Don't be too precious about cutting neat and straight lines. I mean, this is, maybe it goes like that on a piece of Bristol. And if you said, I want to cut things in really neat and tidy squares, I'd go, go for it. So I'm moving around till I go, oh, I kind of like that, or I feel I need some, if this is awfully big, then I'll just go like this. How was I? Oh, that goes like this. Shoo, something like that. That there, that's a bunch of dark right there. That, and then go like that. It's a learning process. It's the same way as if you do master copies.